Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is A-level mathematics, paper 3, code 9709. The statement of the question 2 ln 4x minus 5 plus ln x plus 1 is equal to 3 ln 3. You need to transform this equation into this equation. This is the first part of the question. In the second part of this question, he is asking us to completely factorize this expression, and in the third part, hence solve this equation. You must know, whenever you deal mathematics questions, you have to look the questions very carefully. Now, as you see, this question contains logarithmic operations. How we convert this form of equation into this form? Look, first you will apply laws of log. 4x minus 5 square plus ln x plus 1 is equal to ln 3 raised 3. Now, the sum of these logs can be converted into product by this way, and this is 27. Now they can be cancelled. Now 4x minus 5 square x plus 1 is equal to 27. Further simplification and expansion will give you 16x cube minus 24x square minus 15x minus 2. Now this is the required answer of this question, which is asked in the first part of the question. Now in the second part of this question, he is asking us by first using factor theorem. You know, for factor theorem, if you look carefully, this is px, polynomial x. You can write this 16x cube minus 24x square minus 15x minus 2. So this is polynomial, and if this is the polynomial, then you can use hit and trial method to find the values of x which would be used as a factor. One of the value is x is equal to 2, and the other value is x is equal to minus 1 over 4. To find these values, you can take the help from the calculators. As you know, in paper 3, calculators are allowed. Now, from these two values, you can say that x minus 2 is one factor and 4x plus 1 is another factor. But when you will see and use the calculator, you will see that this is there are only two values. This means this factor is a square factor. So this way you have converted your given polynomial px into factors which are linear factors. So this is its complete factorization. That is what examiner asking you to find. Now in next part of this question, he said solve this equation. If you look carefully, it's just same equation which is given in the top statement of the question. So no need to do all these steps again. Just write this proven part of this equation, which is already is the form of this given equation. So you can say that 16x cube minus 24x square minus 15x minus 22 is equal to 0. Actually, this is called deduction, because you already have proved the statement of this question is equal to this. Now you no need to do and show all the steps to prove this. You can directly write this equation instead of this equation. And in the next part, if you look again carefully, this is polynomial, and you already have expressed this polynomial into linear factors. So you know, this is basically px is equal to 0, and px is, as we have done in the previous part, 4x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. And now from here we get two values of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1 over 4. This is the answer of this polynomial. But remember, he is not asking you to find the answer of this equation. Basically, he is asking you to find the answer for this equation. So if you want to get full marks for this question, and particularly for this part, you have to take those values of x which satisfy the given equation. Actually, most of the students leave their answer there and say these are the answer. So remember, these are not the answer. You have to choose that value of x which satisfy the given equation. Look, if you take x is equal to minus 1 over 4 and you plug this value of x there, you will see that you have a number which is negative. 2 ln negative number comes there. So if you get negative number there, that will not exist because logs are not defined for negative number. So you will not take this answer, and then you should take x is equal to 2 and check either this satisfies this value. Look, if this get 8 minus 5, so you get positive number 2 ln 3, and same way you get ln 3. So you have only this answer which satisfy the given equation. So x is equal to 2 is the right answer, and only unique answer, one answer is the choice. So this way we solve these type of questions. This question can be understood only if you have well equipped knowledge of logs and polynomial. Basically in E3 he mixes different topics to make the questions. So this way we do that question. Hopefully you understand.